Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve messenger call cutting. To know how to fix or how to solve messenger call keeps cutting, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page you click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will search about the window of messenger and you will enter. You will click here. Then this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we'll enter to this window of storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end of all the steps you can go to your airplane mode, you can turn on. Then we'll wait a moment and you can turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.